jolly good choice.
The bird who was afraid to clean the crocodile's teeth. Created and written by Taylor Brandon. This is a story about some birds who could not fly. Cleaning the teeth of crocodiles was how they got by. It was the way these birds earned their daily meal. Clean teeth was what the crocs got from the deal. This left both parties just as happy as could be. The birds got fed, and the crocs' dental work was free. Each bird had to keep one crocodile's teeth clean. Slim had Gar, the meanest looking croc he had seen. Gar's face had warts. His teeth were dark yellow. He had a giant scar. He was a scary looking fellow. Scared to clean Gar's teeth, Slim had not eaten in a while, and he had to listen to rumors about the crocodile.
Gar, one bird said, spends all of his time on his own. Even the other crocs are scared of him and leave him alone.
And I heard he got that scar, added another, when he got into a fight with his brother.
No, he got it wrestling a rhinoceros,
said another bird.
And he fought him using only one arm, is what I heard.
I thought he got it taking on some elephants, said Slim, because he did not like the way they were looking at him. Another added, how he got it is not clear, but Gar is one croc everyone should fear. Looking at their watches, the birds left dry land. Each one had a toothbrush or dental pick in hand. Everyone except for our friend Slim. He tried to hide while Gar stared at him. Clean his teeth? You are kidding! That croc is just too forbidding! Slim felt his empty stomach rumble. Looking at Gar, he began to mumble. My hunger pains are getting stronger. I do not know if I can take it much longer. But I will not give in! Gar looks too mean! I wish I had a different crocodile's teeth to clean. Everyone fell asleep with a smile on their face, except for Slim, who watched Gar float in place. Tomorrow, I will go into the jungle for a look around. Maybe I will find some food there, Slim frowned. I dislike the jungle. It is a scary place. I hope I do not disappear without a trace. The next day, Slim peeked into the jungle. He was scared. I hope that I will not have to go too far, he declared. Slim looked, but could not find anything to eat. All that he got was tired and sore feet. Then, Slim heard a sound coming from a tree. I feel like, he said, someone is watching me. He was right. Someone was looking at him. A friendly-looking cat was staring at Slim. This, the cat said, must be my lucky day. A bird who cannot fly is headed my way. Come closer, the cat purred. I will not hurt you, he lied to the bird. Slim did not think there was need for alarm. He thought a pretty cat would not cause any harm. Slim moved closer, and then he moved closer still. Controlling himself took all of the cat's will. I do not believe it. He has taken the bait. The panther laughed. Ha ha ha! I can hardly wait. He did not have to wait long at that. Within seconds, Slim had reached the cat. "You fell for it," the panther said. "Hook, line, and sinker. When it comes to brains, you are not a deep thinker."
"I am sorry," Slim said, "but I do not understand."
"You will," the cat snarled. Claws sprang from his hand. Slim ran away. It was time to retreat. The cat chased him, swiping at his feet.
"Trusting the panther," Slim said, "is something I regret. I will be safe if I reach the river, for cats hate to get wet."
Slim reached the waterway, and his hopes sank. Gar was floating next to the river's bank. The croc swam up to Slim. He saw that he was in trouble.
"Hop on and I will save you,"
Gar said.
"On the double."
Knowing the cat wanted to have him for a snack, Slim had no choice but to step aboard Gar's back. Slim was surprised to be safe and sound. Gar had ferried him away from dry ground.
"I am alive," Slim said, "but I do not know how. Gar should have had me for dinner by now."
Gar's feelings were hurt. He was confused.
Why would I eat my dentist?
He mused.
"Well, you look so mean," Slim said, "that it made sense."
"So," Gar said, "you judged me on my appearance."
"Now, hold on a minute," the bird questioned Gar. "What about those stories? What about that scar?"
"My scar," Gar said, "is from when some poachers tried to throw a net over me and steal my hide. But I swam away and broke free before they could make alligator boots out of me. And that," cried Gar, "is how I got my scar."
"But the other crocs avoid you," Slim said with a sigh. "How do you explain that? What is the reason why?"
"The reason," Gar explained, "that I am avoided by my chums is that I have bad breath because you are afraid to clean my gums." Slim knew he was wrong and knew what to do.
"Gar,"
he said,
"I am sorry for prejudging you."
being as kind as a croc could be, Gar accepted Slim's apology. Slim's belly is now 4 times bigger than it used to be. He eats the stuff from Gar's teeth, never going hungry. He cleans the croc's mouth 3 times every day, keeping Gar's teeth free of plaque and tooth decay. With his shiny teeth, Gar's smile is now a mile wide. Minus his bad breath, the other crocs are back by his side. The birds learned that someone's looks can often hide just who that someone really is deep inside. The end. Click to subscribe. Visit back soon for our next adventure.